G'day everyone, Uncle Joey Jojo, Warm Jeeka to another Rip Roaring episode, and today what I've got for you guys and gals out there is the Pica or Pica automatic pencil. Now, we all know what a carpenter's pencil looks like on site. Well, the Pica pencil is just like a paste that you'd have in high school, and you can press the back of it, the lead comes out, and then you can press the button at the back and it slips back in. Now, to keep that ends nice and sharp, the holster comes with its own sharpener. So I can just get a perfect point every time in seconds, which has been super easy and super awesome to use. These little holsters come in super handy, and these little teeth here are super duper for not letting this holster fall out of my work pants or my overalls. It just clips onto the side there, and the teeth hold in place really well. The bad part of that is that this actual pencil section doesn't come with a locking lug, which means that it can slip out if I'm climbing up or down ladders. So that's been a bad point for it. This is the second one of these I've had in 8 weeks. The first one only lasted me 3 weeks and wouldn't work anymore. The pencil lead would push all the way back in and it wouldn't click out. I returned it straight to the supplier. The supplier replaced it with no questions asked, which was great. And I haven't had any problems in 5 weeks with this one whatsoever. It's been really good. The lead that you can refill it with comes in a number of different colors. So I've got gray, yellow, and red. It also comes in white, blue, and green. I found the white one super awesome if I was marking up dark birch ply or something like that, or dark material, and I wanted to be able to see my markings really easily. The other thing I found really helpful with it was being able to change the lead colors to either red or yellow or one of the other colors for the other trades. So if I had an electrician on site, we're putting in power points, or if the electrician was putting in light switches, I could change those LEDs really quickly, and he knew exactly what we were putting and where we were putting it. Usually we'd use a spray paint, but I can just use that pencil and use all of those colors in the one. Found that awesome town. One of the things I got annoyed with was the end of this is a bit too thin for my fat fingers, but that's only my select choice. I would have preferred this fat body to continue a little bit further down, and it would have, I reckon, helped me just get some more accurate lines. I did learn to work with it over the 8 weeks, and I'll still continue to use it. I think it's a great little pencil. So what would I give the Pica or Pica pencil out of 10 nails? Let's have a look. The cost. Cost is, you need to do your homework. I've seen them for 15 bucks and I've seen them for 40 bucks. So do your homework and see where you can get them from. I got this bad girl for 25 bucks and it's unreal. A usual carpenter's pencil will cost me about 2 bucks or $2.50 for a medium lead pencil. So in about 8 pencils, this has paid itself off. Accessibility. To be able to access this pencil, to be able to get the bits and pieces for it, I thought was unreal. Almost every supplier now and tool company is selling those on the shelf. So for accessibility of both the leads and the pencil itself, I have to give it a 10 out of 10 nails. You absolutely nailed it on that one. It's been really good. And transport. So to be able to transport it, to be able to use it in different places and all that jazz, what did I think of that? Other than this needing to have a locking lug, I thought it was excellent. Because this doesn't have a locking lug, it can fall out easily enough. So for that, I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10 nails. So an overall score, I'll give it a 9 out of 10 nails. Did Pica or Pica pencils nail this? Yes, they damn well did. Thank you very much, Pica. I love the pencil. I love the way that we can use it, and the most enjoyable part to me is the sustainability side of this, is that I can continue using the same one, if it lasts, for as long as I can keep getting leads for it. So a big fat awesome town from me. Stay tuned and stay awesome.